Now looking at the pore strip itself and comparing this to my favorite, which is the Biore pore strip, I do think I prefer this a little bit more, and I'll tell you why. So firstly, because this is a paint-on kind of pillar pore strip, I feel like this was actually able to get the corners better. Like my corners actually felt cleaner. Like I was able to see more gunk come out of it. Also, I felt like as this hardened, it felt a little bit more tighter and compressed. So that made the pulling power a little bit stronger, I feel. So I managed to actually get more blackheads in this area and in these areas as well, which usually if I were to use like a normal pore strip, it might not sometimes cover this area, whereas this one, because I could paint it on, I could actually do wherever I wanted. On top of that, I do think it's pretty worth it. I think the price itself is reasonable. You're actually getting quite a number of use out of this, especially because even as I just did my nose, there was some left over, which I think you can use for your chin or your forehead, more areas. So you're actually really getting a lot of use out of it, especially if you're only using like 2.5 grams each time. I think that's reasonable.